Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'll be talking about XRP and what is going on the charts. So in this video I'll be doing price analysis and price prediction for XRP. But this video is not a financial advice for you to buy or sell XRP or any crypto assets, as you all know that crypto is very volatile and not good for retail investors. All I am doing here is not a financial advice. So guys, my name is Eric, known as City Money. And in this video, I'll just do a quick analysis on what is happening to XRP. If you look at the market, XRP is going down. Yes, it's on a downtrend and it has been crashing. So if you look here on my chart, you see when it started here, you can see when the downtrend started, it started here. Let me just pull out this, guys. I'm coming. Let me pull out this so you can see. So here, this is where the downtrend started from here. When it did this double top, guys, this was a double top that it did, and it broke it, guys. It broke it. So when it broke this neck, this is the neck here. But some of you would think that it was when this neck broke that this downtrend started. No, this is when the downtrend started, guys. You see this bearish engulfing candle. You see this bearish engulfing, this red candle. This is when the actual downtrend started. So most times traders get stopped out on their trade. This is why. When they see a bearish engulfing, immediately they enter the trade. Don't do that. Don't do that. So whenever you see a bearish engulfing like this, wait for price to retrace the candle. Do you get? Wait for price to retrace the candle, or even go back to the origin where the bullish bearish engulfing started. The same thing with bullish engulfing. So you see this red candlestick here. This is the red candlestick that engulfed this green candlestick going up. Do you see? So this is where the bearishness of XRP started, where it started falling. So now, as a good trader, what you should do, don't follow all these candles here, 1 and 2. Don't follow it. Wait for price to pause and retrace either 50% of the candle or retrace to the origin that caused the bearish engulfing, which is this origin here. So the whole of this place. So if price should come back to that origin and get rejected, then you know that, oh, that origin is very strong. So you can enter your short, put your stop loss above. Do you see? So that's where the bearishness started, and it fell and broke this neckline. You see this neck? You see this neck? This neck that get broken is now the resistance. You get? This becomes the resistance. So even if you see price coming up, you shouldn't close your trade or start fearing because maybe you think it's going to come here. It's not going to go there. It has broken the neckline. So the neckline is now the resistance. The only way you will be afraid of your stop loss is when this neckline gets broken to the upside. So now this is what happened. You can see price came back, retest the neckline, get rejected, and you see another bearish engulfing. I'm going to show you again. Let me clear all this. Let me clear all this, guys. You see another bearish engulfing. You see this big red candle. You see this big red candle. You see this big red candle. So this big red candle engulfed this green candle here. I'm going to show you. You can see the red candle and the green candle. So let me show you. Sorry for this. So you see the red candle engulfed. So you see, you don't enter once you see a red candle engulfed. This is what happened. This is what happened. You see price going back, going back to test the origin that caused this engulfing. So all the area here. So when they say other block and all those, so it's just a zone. There's no specific area. Do you get? All those places are just zone. There's nothing like another block or this. It's just a zone. If you say another zone, I can accept. So you see all this area here, you wait for price to retest it to confirm that yes, this is bearish. And if you look at the price action here going back to that origin, you see that is a bearish divergence. Do you get bearish divergence? So now it got there and got rejected. So boom, you see price is going down. So let's talk about where price can get to, guys. You see this bearishness, that bearish that is going. If price, my phone. I don't know. I'm gonna squeeze this to get a better view. Okay, so guys, you see the price you're seeing there. What you're seeing there is coming down to this origin here. You see this origin that caused this break of structure. I'm on a daily time frame, guys. You see this? So this is not even a break of structure. It's a change of character. And maybe when I have time, I will make a video that will explain the difference between a break of structure and a change of character. So you see, this is inverted head and shoulder. Do you get? Which indicates reversal. Anytime you see inverted head and shoulder, it indicates reversal. So this zone here, which is this low, caused a break, a change of character, not a break of structure. So it caused a change of character, which made price to run up. You can see from here, you see price run up. Let me remove this. So you can see price run up. So this is the change of character. So now what is going on here now is that price is going to come. You see all this thing that price is doing from here. Price is going to do this. It's going to do this, going to do this. All this thing that is doing, how it does it it's none of my business. Do you see? I don't care how it does it. But price is going to keep doing this till it comes here, pick this order, and what will happen is price will now skyrocket massively. Do you see? So price is going to skyrocket from here. So now let me clean all this. So that's what will happen. If you see here, I entered this short and it's going. So you see, if you look here, there's a double bottom here, guys. There's a double bottom here. Okay, let me use this. There's a double bottom here. You see around the 2.700, there's a double bottom here. And that's a liquidity, guys. That's liquidity. So that liquidity is what is drawing price down because of this double bottom. Sometimes most people think that double bottom has to be maybe like a something like a very big candlestick. For me, sometimes it do looks like that, something like this, something like this, big candlestick. Sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's just two pins like this. But once they have equal length, you know that that's a double bottom and that's a liquidity. So price is coming to sweep that double bottom. Yes, there's a possibility that price will come and sweep. Let me take out this. There's a possibility that price will come from here, all the way from here, sweep the liquidity and maybe run up. There's a possibility. But even though that happened, remember, it's still going here. Let me do this. So even though that happened, guys, remember that price is still going to this origin here. Remember, no matter what happened, just know that price is still going to this origin. Do you get? So if that happens, don't think that, oh, price is now about to reverse up. Price is still going to this origin. But what drives the market is liquidity. Do you get? So price at any point in time, we always want to clear liquidity. We always want to. But remember, price is coming here. So XRP is coming to $2.1 or $2 before any push up or massive push up. And price might not necessarily, let me do this. Price might not necessarily push higher, not all the time. Price might come to the origin that caused the change of character, then push to this extent, then come down, break this. And here becomes, okay, break this. Why would that happen? Because you see this break of change of character here. This is a very, very strong resistance. Do you get? That's a strong resistance. So if price breaks this low, what will happen is that price will now come back to test this low. If it breaks higher, then it might retest this. If price come test here and get rejected, you see, it will keep going low. Why? Because this zone here that caused this change of character will now become resistance. So this is how price operates. This is how it operates. Do you get? Then you see this zone, this change of character zone. This is a very strong support. Here, you see, I'm talking of this place. You see this area here. This is a very strong support. Price might come here and pump, so that the market is just somehow. That's why people lose money, because you can't always predict the market. You can't always predict the market. The market can decide to, okay, not retest this origin now, maybe come to this zone here, then decide to pump. This market is a probability market, but most times price always come back to the origin that caused a change of character. Yes, price might not come when there's a break of structure, but when there's a change of character, price always come to the origin most times to test the origin that caused the break of the change of character before pumping very hard. So that's what I am looking forward to. So I've already done my analysis. I am just waiting. I'm already on a short for XRP. I'm seeing like 30% now. So you can see it. So you can see it. I literally entered on time and I'm already on profit. I say, let me share this with you. So if you are buying XRP, you should buy at the cheaper zone, the discount zone. If I am even looking forward to buy XRP, maybe on spot, I'm looking to buy it around $2. Yes, I'm looking forward to buy it at $2. Anything it does here is none of my business. Even if it decide to pump, it's none of my business. But I am if I'm to hold XRP to wait for a massive profit, then I am buying at $2. You see, buying at $2 is going to give you around 90% or even more than 100% of your capital. Do you get? So that's what I'm looking forward to do. And if you're doing the same, fine. But I'm not a financial advisor, and this video is not a financial advice. Thank you, and see you in my next video.